Hello, my dear students of class 10. Today we will continue the next part of the text, A Triumph of Surgery. Okay, so the surgeon James Herriot took the dog Tricky to his hospital, right, from his mistress Mrs. Pumphrey, right, and he was going to treat the dog, right. Now we will continue. There are some questions before this part. Read and find out. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? Narrator means the speaker, the writer. As rich as Tricky's mistress? That you have to find out next. How does he treat the dog? The dog means Tricky. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? And why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? So the questions that you will write down and you will send me the answers, right? Okay, now we will start. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. Surgery means here a place where a doctor or dentist or veterinary surgeon treats patients, right? So the place where the doctors treats patients, right, and of chambers. So at the surgery, at that hospital, okay, the household dogs. So as that was a hospital, there were many dogs. So household dogs mean the dogs of that hospital, okay, surged round me. Surged means crowded, okay, they came and they circled round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. Then Tricky was looking down at the noisy pack. Noisy pack means those group of dogs. They were making noise. That's why noisy pack. Tricky was looking down at the noisy pack with dull eyes. Why dull eyes? Because he was not well, not fit. That's why dull eyes. And when put down, when the narrator put him down, lay motionless on the carpet means he was lying there without any movement on the carpet, on the rug, okay. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. The other dogs means the other dogs of that household, after sniffing around him, sniffing means smelling, the way dogs smell any object, that is sniffing. So after smelling him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object, right, unattractive, uninteresting object, and ignored him. They did not care him. Him means Tricky, and they means the other household dogs. They ignored him, they avoided him. Okay? I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. Though the mistress of the dog was trying to send mattresses, other things, but he came here without taking those objects. Now, the doctor, the surgeon, made up a bed for Tricky. He means Tricky in a warm because it was winter. That's why his mistress was sending, okay, trying to send some coats. So warm, loose box, not tight box. So warm. That's why, right? Which will have warmth and loose, not tight box. Why? So that Tricky can sleep next to the one where the other dog slept. So next to the other dogs. Okay. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him. What is means? What do you mean by I kept an eye? Means the narrator observed him. Okay, giving him no food but plenty of water. So instead of giving him food, the doctor, the surgeon, gave him water to drink. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So at the end of the second day, he means Tricky started to show some interest in his surroundings, in his areas, outside the areas. Third day, he began to whimper. Whimper means kind of noise without opening your mouth, right? That is whimper, muttering, okay? Or to make a series of sounds. That is whimper. When he heard the dogs in the yard. So the third day means how was he reacting? Second day, he took some interest in his surroundings. Third day, he began to whimper. Whimper means to make some series of sounds. When he heard the dogs in the yard, in the front yard, in the open space of that hospital. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe the greyhound and his friends. When the narrator opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted out means came out unsteadily with small steps and was immediately then and then engulfed means surrounded, encircled, crowded by Joe. Who was Joe? The greyhound, one breed of dog, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, after rolling him over and thoroughly, properly inspecting him, searching him, inspecting him, the dogs moved up down the garden, went towards the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Surplus means extra, right? When he was going, he couldn't walk properly. Sometimes he was rolling for his extra fat. Okay. Later that day, I was present at feeding time means when the dogs were feeding, right, were being fed by the other members. So at the feeding time, खाने का time पर, I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. Another dog, Tristan, slopped means spilled the food into the bowls. So when he was eating, the foods were means coming out from his bowl. So slopped the food, slop means spilled, 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 there was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high sound eating. So usual means normal, headlong rush. Headlong means initial, rush means that crowd, followed by the sounds of high speed eating means when there is a time to feed the dogs. Initially there was kind of rush, right? Kind of crowd. So usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high speed eating means they were eating speedily. Why? Otherwise means the stronger dogs will finish the food and the other dogs will not be able to eat, and the stronger dogs will eat their food, their share of food actually. So even dog knew that if he fell behind the others means if he couldn't be able to eat in that speed, then the others he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So then the other dogs, the stronger dogs, will finish their meal and then will come and will eat his, right, the share of meals means the dogs those who were not able to eat in that speed, then the stronger dogs will come and will eat their meals, their share of meals. That's why there's a kind of means the sound of eating, the fast, they were eating very fast, and kind of headlong means rush. They were initially there was kind of rush, right? Now, so headlong means kind of initial rush means the crowd. Okay, next, when they had finished, the other dogs finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls. Shining bowls means the dogs finished the food. So the way the dogs generally eat, the bowls, the plates generally shine. That's why shining means the bowls were now having means were at the time having no food, not a single bit of food, licking casually inside one or two of them, licking, using his tongue over the bowls. That's why licking, using someone's tongue over something. So licking some casually, normally, just casually, inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, was kept for him, and I was pleased. I was happy. The knight was happy to see him jostling his way towards it. Why jostling? Means when there is crowd, sometimes you also jostle, fight kind of, to go means forward. To go forward, you have to push. You have to use your elbow, your hands, right? So that time, the dog Tricky was also jostling to go forward. From then on, his progress was rapid. From that time, his development was rapid, quick. He had no medicinal treatment, means no medicinal, means no medicine was used by the narrator for his treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs. All day he ran about, means he was running with the other dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Joining their friendly scrimmage. What is scrimmages? Scrimmages means kind of fight. So friendly fight means they're playing the way the dogs play. Scrimmages. It's fight. Okay. So friendly fight, not serious fight. Okay. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. He discovered the joys, the enjoyment of being bowled over. Bowled over means round over. Okay, to roll over. Tramped on means the other dogs were keeping their feet, okay, keeping their actually legs on the dog on Tricky and squashed every minute. Every few minutes. Squashed means they are squeezing. They were just pushing from other sides, and he became an accepted member of the gang of the dogs. Accepted members. An unlikely, silky little object among the saggy crew means Tricky was a very fine breed. That's why silky. His fur was silky, but the other dog's fur was saggy, not good, kind of rough. So he was silky object among the saggy ones, saggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times. Means he was fighting like a tiger, very much ferocious, dangerous at meal times, and hunting rats in the old hen house at night, and was finding rats at the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. But means before that, Tricky had never such a time in his life. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. All the while, means at the time, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously. Hovered means to walk here and there anxiously. Anxiously means tension, worriedly in the background. Background. Okay, means in his home. Okay, ringing a dozen times. Ringing, calling a dozen times, many a times. Actually, 12 times, many a times a day for the latest bulletins, latest update, latest news of Tricky. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. I means the narrator dodged means avoided the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly, his mattresses were being turned on regularly or not. The means the taking care of his mattresses also, and whether he owned his correct coat means it was winter, so whether the other members of that hospital means helped him to wear the correct coat according to the weather. Otherwise, he will get cold. That's why. So much clearly. That's why you know the term pampering. Okay? But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. I was able to tell means the surgeon was able, okay, was able to tell her means mistress of the dog, that the little dog was out of the danger and was convulsing rapidly. Convulsing means recovering from illness rapidly, quickly. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. Means when Mrs. Pumphrey heard the term convulsing means recovering, then she did something. What did she do? She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time. Started to bring fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time. Means 24 pieces of eggs to build up Tricky's strength, so that Tricky will get his power. Okay, get back his power to build. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey was bringing eggs, and the surgeon and his partners were enjoying the eggs. 2 eggs for breakfast, but when the bottles of wine began to arrive, now she was bringing bottles of wine. Okay, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Household means in that hospital. Okay, So the actual possibilities, the possibilities to enjoy the time, situation began to dawn, began to understand. Means they started to understand the possibilities, the actual possibilities to enjoy the time. It was so, it was to enrich Tricky's blood. The wine was to enrich, develop Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. But Mrs. Pumphrey was bringing wine to enrich Tricky's blood, but the narrator and his partners were having the wine. They were drinking, okay, during lunch. That became a ceremonial occasion. Ceremony means kind of program, kind of ceremony, occasion, kind of feast, party, with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Before the meal and several glasses of wine during the meal also. That's all for today. Thank you.